Hey, hi, I'm back once again, Kaushik Chatterjee. Last videos, two videos, I hope all you have seen, like what exactly Form 16, what exactly 26 is, and I just understood, what exactly the benefit, what is the importance of these two forms, why it is so important, documents even for my income tax. All those things, even I think already you have fair enough, we have discussed even last two videos. Now in this video we are going to discuss the last part of this documentation, that is all about my income tax returns, ITR. Typically even people are in India, they will be knowing it is ITR. Now what exactly ITR? Most of the people even they will have a deadline even 31st March, even you have to even pay your tax by 31st, and you have to file your returns even by 31st July, right? So this is a deadline even normally follows in India, but most of the people even they pay it, but they have to understand like what exactly ITR, how it works actually. Let me tell you the full form of ITR. It is nothing but income tax returns, right? So I think the name itself you can understand. There will be something even all about the returns. Now how the returns will come? How is the return for everyone? Is the return for all? Is the return for applicable to all? That we are going to answer on this video. So first of all, let me tell you whatever you have paid, let's say as I told you in Form 16, even the 26 A's, it works in a similar manner. The only difference I think already I have discussed. One given by your company, if your company is a big company, one even been tracked by yourself. So that is the only difference, and that is just an alternative of Form 16 to 26 A's. Now, as I'm liable, even being a citizen of any country, even as I'm liable to pay the tax on my income, so similarly in India also it is same. So you have to pay the tax similarly to the government of India, and there is a different slabs that definitely we are going to discuss in some other video. But whatever my income, and based on that one whatever I have paid, and the deduction will be done through my Form 16 and my Form 26 A's, right? So up to here we are all clear. Now if I, let's say this form ITR, the income tax returns, why I need to do actually, so that I have paid this much on my income. That is one way, it is a proof. If I paid, let's say, more, then I'll get a returns. So I'll repeat once again. Let's say if I pay more, or let's say if I have paid already more, as per I told you my Form 16 and 26 is, that is the traction of my income tax, that is a traction of my income, right? And how much I have paid through my own, or let's say tracked by company itself. But now Form 16 and 26 is, it is only traction of your income based on your tax. But income tax returns is entirely different. Whatever I have paid, if I have paid correctly, then it is same. You are not going to get back any returns, and you are not even liable to pay any more extra. But income tax returns shows, and that is also mandatory for any even citizen, because if I have, let's say, paid more, so definitely I'll get back it. That is what it calls even income tax returns. Now there will be another scenario, let's say based on my calculation, let's say my company even Form 16, let's say there is some due, right? So again, whenever you are paying your income tax, so that will be again deducted. So I mean to say, that's what I told you, it is not applicable for everyone to get a returns. If I have paid even more, then only I'll get a returns. If I have not paid more, then it will be same. If I have paid less, then I need to pay the balance. Now how the returns will come, because as I told you there will be different sections, so that we are going to discuss in details in some other videos. So in terms of salary, let's say if I take you, let's say there will be some typical event section, right? Even on the income, so on that section, even whatever the investment also I have done, so there will be some kind of exempted, right? So if let's say for X amount, even if I need to pay the Y, right? So on that Y, even how much even on that section I'm going to save, on that saving part it will be deducted from my income tax. And that also I can save even through that slabs, even though I have paid more, let's say while paying, even while deducting the tax, even my company has deducted. But later on what happened, when I have some investment through my consultant, through my tax consultant, even I have produced that even to the income tax department, which is government of India. And there they will do the calculation. Oh, so Kaushik is falling into this category, but yes, similarly he is under this section, even he has said this. So this is the balance. So we need to pay back to the Kaushik. If it is not, then it is not. If it is less, then you have to pay to the government of India. So this is a simple calculation. But yes, we need to understand all three details, like what is exactly Form 16, what exactly 26 is, how it works, what is the significance of this, and finally why I need to even mandatory even fill my ITR also, and how this returns comes, even how I can even get the returns. If I don't get the returns, then what will be the other step? And if, let's say, if I paid even everything, then definitely you are a civilian, you are a citizen of the country, so definitely you are in a same situation. You are not even falling any trap of the income tax department. Your money is white, your income is white, you are not getting any trouble in future, right? So thanks a lot. I hope this, again, it will give you a lot of boost, lot of information on your related to income and related to your tax. But yes, this is not the end. If you have any more questions, any more doubt, any more queries, so definitely you are always welcome. As I told you, you have my mail ID, you have my chat box, so you can directly post something, and definitely I'm just a way to give you all the answers, right? So more things we need to discuss in coming videos. But yes, uh, about 26, about 16, and what exactly ITR, how I can get the benefit of ITR, why I need to fill the ITR, all these things. I think this is the basic information, the basic discussion already we have done. So thanks for watching, thanks for being here, and be happy always. Thanks.